Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. A long time no talk. I know, so much to catch up on, but I guess the biggest news and the biggest change is that I now live in Senegal, West Africa. In February, I left the United States to come to Senegal, and I now serve as an official Peace Corps volunteer in Senegal. I swore in 2 weeks ago, so everything's official. Actually a volunteer. I can't even believe it. It's been a long time coming. I am a community economic development volunteer, and what that means is that our primary goal is to ensure the upward economic mobility for every single person in Senegal. We do have a particular focus on women and then youth, but anything that we do in our community should help improve the economic stability of households, so the household level. So in my town, I work with the mayor's office, which is super cool. Today, I just thought it'd be really cool just to show you my community, show you where I live, show you sort of the things that I do, because I've only been in my town for like 2 weeks. So at this point, everything that I do is new to me. Everything that I see is new. So I just figured it would be a good time to show it to you guys. I am doing this on my phone. I don't feel comfortable whipping out my camera just yet. I just wanted to take you around my town, take you to my office where I work, and just show you a little bit of that. So I hope you enjoy. Yaay maa ngi dem Mary waaw waaw jërëjëf waay waaw yaa ngi toog ah ok ba si kanam ana Asta ah Asta dem na marché d'accord ba si kanam. It's about 10 o'clock and I woke up, greeted my family, had some coffee, and I'm gonna make my way to the office. So this is just a little OOTD. I was saying bye to people. It's a pretty nice day today. I think it's like 80 degrees. A lot of that brown shea butter. So, alright. I'm gonna show you some more. Assalamualaikum. Nangada. Ciao. Wow, nangada. Wow. Bah, naka suba si? Alhamdulillah. Ah, oh, papite. Wow. Papite. Papa. V? Jërëjëf. maa ngi fi. Ça va. Papite.
dugal taxaw Pape Marème photo la aco reel Maam Marème photo la dalay photo taxawal mu photo la
Hey guys, so yeah, vlogging on the street is not the easiest, but I made it to the office. I found out that I don't have to go to the high school until about noon. So I have about an hour just to review my notes and then to download stuff on Netflix and YouTube. So I'm just gonna chill here for a little bit. Hey guys, so I just left work and I'm gonna walk home. It's really hot, but it's Ramadan and there are not really any charrettes like horse drawn that I used to take, so gosh, walk. Alright guys, I just got stopped and had another marriage proposal as per usual. But it is hot as shit. And I'm walking because I'm trying to integrate. It's like probably 107 degrees. So yeah, it's super hot. I'm sure I'm burning up my arm, but whatever. So today I went to the high school and spoke with the professor, which is like the principal of the high school, and the English club teachers and stuff like that. And I met an English club. And so that was pretty fun, just to like talk to people and get them to see my face and get them to know me. Everyone's like, what the hell is she doing? So tomorrow I'm gonna go back and help them with a debate that they have. The Peace Corps also has a scholarship club for girls, so depending on how motivated the girls are, I may try to do that. Okay, I'll check in with you guys later. So this is so ça va, na nga def? Sige na, Ben. Ben, what? Janitor. Okay, merci. Guys, it is so hot. I'm literally like melting. I can't. What? Definitely. I cannot wait to just drink some water. Help me. Assalamualaikum. Nangida. Master. Naka buchakti. Iya. Tang. Nanti dia ketang. Nanti tadi. Wah, yang ana ya. Ja, assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Nangida.
Bitay.
Bite.
Gana?
Wangi visa ba?
Yaa may.
Alhamdulillah.
Yaa ngi doon.
Wàcc na.
Wàcc na.
Waaw.
Léegi nañu.
Léegi.
Léegi nañu.
Waaw léegi.
Waaw. Ana dama.
Dama mu ngi foofu.
Dama ngay. Ak tàng na de.
Te bu cek tàng na.
Man maa ngi bëgg a dee tey. Tey
Dox naa ci.
dangaa def naaj.
Dox.
Naaj yii dangaa am saret.
Waaw.
Ah.
No, jëluma charrette.
Jëru saret dangaa def tey.
Waaw.
Waaye dafa tàng. Bu ñu ko da ngay bàyyi ba tëpp saa. Tey.
Te alhamdulillah maa ngi tëdd.
Yaa ngi waaw.
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 Si kanam.
Waaw.
Salaamaaleykum. Na nga def? Waaw. Ça va. Maa ngi ci jàmm. Wàcc na. Yaa ngi tëdd. Ok. Si kanam maa ngi tëdd. Maa ngi tëdd. Tëdd. Ok. Si kanam. Hey guys, guys, so I just want to wrap up this vlog. As you can see, I am hot and sweaty. It is literally like 110 degrees outside. I do have a fan, but I don't have it on, so I'm gonna take a shower, wash off all the sweat, turn on the fan, and just chill and relax. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Obviously, I will do other videos like showing you my crib, where I live, probably like some packing things, probably like a day in the life of doing like some really cool event or whatever. But to any future Peace Corps Senegal volunteers or any Peace Corps volunteers in general, if you have any questions, if you're thinking of applying, let me know down below. Send me an email, send me a DM. I really just want to help as many people get through the process and get into service as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this style. Let me know what you think about me using my telephone. I hope the quality is okay. So I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.